Code make it even a medical, the Nyombia Barbon, and ne, and you may title was the target. Now, and you know, I can EP America, they Barbon next week. What to these EP needing was amazing grace. Now, I said the target we are Banesi and T. Name we are Cynthia says he understands raps. So next week we should expect something deep. Next week, not the EP in a Barbon, we should expect something deep. But to me, boy, say, I breaking him way down, the target, no, they are creates a medical, no, really, he understands rapper. Let's get into the song. And you will title, no, say, the target. Amazing grace, how sweet thou sound. Oh, brother. Obe sound say, I didn't in America, then you're a young way in a chassis. Medical, young America, actor, young Biao. Why is he starting with a gospel song? A chose American or funny or be brave more brabo. He has suffered a lot. Just like me. You're banning a Dawson or MDK. This song, no, my mama understand where it's near what that party, medical, picking, and you know, see, amazing grace, how sweet thou sound. Thou saved a wretch like me. Thou saved a wretch like me. I was lost, but now I'm found. The medical just will know now, bravo women when you be a. Na nyame atonsu agu ne so ohwe ne life journey baby a wafafafa ene ye boni dia America no Ghana with me tia say he's part of raps. Your body is America la he impacts a lot. You to know nipa bebre they look up to him now because of his rap dexterity. Was some make his scam and say or babe a breadwinner what me a ware nyame asama ne ba eno to know the sign of a shasi. The me yen wa no brother me boy no I come here to decode. That is my purpose, for you to understand. Open so change when I get on the platform. But some will understand what is in the song. I feel what Bobby says on my young room.
Beyond Control Marathon.
9:16 a.m.
What's it 9:16 a.m. Medical as it stands now, or US or Ghana. I want to watch a video.
Uncle Big Polio.
Pay attention to the raps now, or to piano. Me person heard the rhyme scheme. Person whether the rhyme anymore, whether medical is passing on a very solid message. The way I should share, you know, whether a fast standards be more, then the best here. Take your time.
AMG Beyond Control.
Hey, Nancy, you know, you can room near America, or Nipa.
Amazing grace.
Beat, you know, pure rap beat bar or the forms are. Ghana, listen or shots here.
This be the stone the builders rejected.
I said, this is a stone the builders rejected. Yati amazing grace. I want us to link something. The stone builders rejected. My answer found it be every day.
This be the stone the builders rejected. This be the kiddie where the high school teachers neglected.
Rejected, neglected.
The border where the house master evicted. The boy we no fit enter dining hall shop cause he was restricted.
Restricted, evicted, neglected, rejected. He's telling you about his secondary school days. Near man one now.
This be the boy we selling phone before producer record them. This be the boy we no get lights so nobody won't plug them. This
record them, plug them.
Boy, he matter their dog and this boy no be that important. This boy like to give pressure, so make nobody force him.
Was it over the life, Mona? Society was rejecting him. Baby of Fabia, they've leveled cases against him.
I face school in person, me babe my speech. Almost sending emails, then my money no reach.
Was it now? Baby, I made in a drew say an amazing grace. School in person of my speech.
Only paper at the CB, money and receipts. 996 call the baba now cash with the screech, yeah.
But pray, on Nantes in the Colba, but say, or you so cast I would be.
They turn me down many times, no be twice. Now the boy be getting invites from Kwame despite.
But see, they turn him down many times, not be twice, but now he's getting invites from Kwame despite. It means Brabon will do. Now so the picture of the two Abonti and on the Kwame despite. Not a more vibe, or the Canadian Japan or more vibe. To make sure we are looking at the content of the song, because you are telling us about Amazing Grace, the target. Are you achieving it? Say lyrics now, a follow suit. This is what we call the codings.
On the phone with Wado catching the next flight. I'm a son of the sun, so I shine too bright. Whoa.
So he is a son of the sun, so he shines too bright. Word plays be so I go koso adwesem.
Bema kodin so kodana nyame shirame. Dynamo lucky and then Hosafu and the Kurame.
When it comes to commercial raps, he will do it. That is why if you don't understand what he is doing, you might end up wanting raps. It is about the game. You need to understand what your fans want, but intermittently, you know what job your money was still you are part of the game. What your raps?
Ishano does I'm a mention many cry chiame. Catch a chamine sontra on Nina so mechiame.
But Ishano Dawson, the Oheneno crowd said Chiame said the chief should rather come to him.
Oh yes, I'm me a ghostbuster. I put more niggas on board, I should be a slave master.
That's right, I put more niggas on board, I should be a slave master. Of course, George Joseph is the boss. And what be brave to board.
Between you and your girl, tell me who they come faster. I'm schooling these niggas, I for teach for Lancaster. Look,
MDK.
compare me to somebody where they live on pills. So blessed, my dog be getting endorsement deals. Yeah.
He understands the game. US road trip video with you. Man, he's still there.
Yesterday niggas no go fit show me who be real. I'm the weatherman, I go fit tell you niggas how to feel.
He's the weatherman. He can tell you how it feels. We're meteorologists for now. I'm going to say the system, and he's playing on words there, giving you all the punches.
But you don't make ready for that discussion. I shove my Gucci down your ass and tell you that is fashion. I know.
Or he shows you his Gucci, and he lets you understand that that is fashion.
They do music, happy music, and that's a passion. Somebody wants to see the boss. It depends on who is asking.
The banana down. We on a fella, I wanna know. This gives medical joy. It's part of the Amazing Grace.
Many hits in the system, but the boy be humble. They wanna step in the ring, but they're not ready to rumble.
He has so many hits. He's humble. They want to step in the ring, but they don't know how to rumble. Humble and rumble. And he's still in line. He's talking about the target, his achievements.
Stay on fire, Bema tell them I'm too hot to handle. I choose to live in a casino cause life is a gamble. Devil no.
He choose to live in a casino because life is a gamble. To about 3-4 lines beyond, or the rhyme scheme to Joe, or me about A. No, about the second stanza about B. This is medical.
Be liar, nipa na ye fucking wati. Atamfunya nyaminti, what time ya me dasi wati. They
Atamfunya nyame, don't turn, you cannot do anything to him.
coming at me, but I know they see men in their eyeballs. If I no do nothing for you niggas, Martin.
Same boys no big sana medical or nyehwe or rap game no sini jina hawate munye nyame.
When the hits know they come, frustration they set in. I'm on a god level, niggas battling for the next king.
When the hits know they come, frustrations be na the one who tear the cassette, but he makes his commercial songs and he still makes it.
Some niggas are inspired with them, they look up to me, want to disrespect a hero. Challenge shit is so depressing.
So TV man wow. He will never disrespect the hero. So if he's there, you want to get there, you need to respect him.
Talking to lawyers in Thailand. I'm on the phone trying to purchase an island for Ireland.
He's talking to lawyers in Thailand. He's on the phone, he wants to purchase an island. Thailand and Ireland or Bora and Miro.
Trying to stack my dollars up, my cities and my naira. Mimbo belt and pull me wasted time to the Biami and Malian.
Mobile don't waste time. I thought I was Malian or do a boom aura or Naira Mali mo level anyway.
Monkey candy and mobile can I mean moving home. Oh, girl, no meaning no what damn, meaning no nipple.
Oh, girl, what them, when you need bum or money home. What you say, what call me do, so I buy an idea when you need them or prum. You need bum with my day. This guy is deep.
Okuku seku forget to sama nipa hu ye hu. Yenya be fosu anajubia your momo kumetu.
That's what we young baby for one now. Or money pa, and you should show more. A baby for the money by him, you show more, but so don't you be about still.
Loyalty be talent, these niggas don't have it. I keep them on my circle so they always walk around it. Shout
Loyalty is a talent and the niggas don't have it.
out to Joey B, Shatawale, my nigga Calvin. Yamiti Yen break it down, Yanyako just shouted.
This is what pay respect and I'm shata munina. I've told you, say, on the street, you need to know the code. You are born on the street code. Say, yeah, no, the respect, Amawa Delmo, and it Shatamo, or Bonnet Domino, because in the game, you need godfathers.
No compare me to Abe, the nigga be legend. That nigga the priest for Ghana, that nigga be reverend.
And what say, Sarkodie is on a different level. Don't compare him to Sarkodie. Showing another respect there. Showing another door of respect there. This is what we call an intelligent student. An intelligent guy who wants to take over the game in a very humble and polite way. Respectfully, Africa, my love.
No regrets in life. Life is full of lessons. Amazing grace every day. My house is full of blessings.
Amazing grace every day. His life is full of blessing. Amazing grace, how sweet thou sound.
Too famous, I had to throw a mask on, but they still recognize when I put a mask on.
Hey, that is too famous. He needs to throw a mask on as well, mask. But even when he puts the mask on, they still recognize him. He's jabbing you about how far he is. When it comes to popularity, he's a celebrity in the system.
Cause they know it's medical, he puts a mask on, had to take the mask off for freedom.
Hey, about freedom, yo, man, come back near for.
Off for freedom, one dawn. I dey rap when I want to rap, I'm not lazy.
To above freedom, one dawn, whoa. He takes the mask off, he needs his freedom, one dawn. Shut up, so I one dawn on the ball, freedom. Jabbing you something, they tell you that you can play with words anytime in the day.
What they say me now, I won't reply, I just pay me. Maybe I rap paper, but you rap for your friends. Not
Or say, oh, this and now pay reply, I pay him. Here, he's opening a key to Tiflo, more moke kamono. Or guess one, when you know, say, oh, this and pay him. Oh, this and pay him, Ghana. On fire, I grow. On the highway, so near grow basa.
now so come on, Dimitri, I rap for the whole nation. I got a whole family to feed. Me,
He's a family man.
a street boy, someone a magic degree. Boys a punch a pan, now so still boys the bleed. But
O punch pan so we ma. Why your raps now so we ma? He's coding a lesson there.
boys they need some deliverance, but the pastor sleep.
Hey, that you need deliverance by the pastor sleep. As we speak now, America is in the United States. MDK, the ball happening now. This could make it TV. I'm always on the highway to do the decodings and justice to it. I rest the case here respectfully, my laws. Thank you.